Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Hello friends, welcome to piano class. In today's class, I want to teach you how to play row, row, row your boat with the appropriate primary chord you can use. Primary chords are chord 1, 4 and 5. For instance, if you are in the key of C major, your chord 1 is C major, your chord 4 is F major, and your chord 5 is G major. Your chord 1 in C major is C, E, G. Your chord 4 in C major is F, A, C, and your chord 5 in C major is G, B, D. Go through the previous lesson and learn about chords. Back to row, row, row your boat. We are playing in the key of C major. The turning solver is Do, 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 Re, Mi, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. Do, 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 so, 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 mi, do, 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 so, fa, mi, re, do. Again. Do, 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 re, mi, re, mi, fa, sol. Do, 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 so, 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 mi, do, 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 so, fa, mi, re, do. Note that you have both upper do and lower do according to the pitch of the song. Alphabetically, we have C, 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 D, E, E, D, E, F, G, C, 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 G, 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 E, 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 C, 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 G, F, E, D, C. Remember, you can play it either alphabetically or in turning solvers. Look at the screen now and try it. Let's go. Good. If you want to apply your primary chord, now you hold down your chord 1. Hold down your chord 1. Immediately, you play the first phrase. That is, play your chord 1 with do, 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 re, mi. Go to your chord 5 and play mi, re, mi, fa, sol. Then go back to your chord 1 and play do, 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 so, 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 mi, do, do, do. Then change to chord 5 and play sol, fa, mi, re. Then back to chord 1, do. Note this. Your left hand chord sounds simultaneously with every first melody of each phrase. I hope this is helpful. See you in the next class.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.